How's it going, everybody? So we are just getting some packages installed. We'll show you exactly how we install it. Got Mr. Lucas here. So we want to make sure that he's pulled the frames out already. We got one more here. I think the battery got overheated on the camera. I'm not for sure. So we will show you on this other one right quick. It died right when we were getting in. I'm not for sure where it died, so we'll figure it out. But we will get these going in here, put these frames back in, and in about 3 days we'll come in and make sure that the queen is released. And I almost forgot again to cut this little cork out so that it will come out. And then the candy plug, so there's one on a direct release and there's one on the candy side. You want the candy side. We always put the candy side down. We just think it's better. And then we'll put our other one in there. So Lucas is going to get this package ready. This is how we do it. So take that, bud, spray them down. So we use water, or you can use sugar syrup, but we just kind of wet them down. We don't soak them, but wetting them down definitely helps them where they're not just all coming out and stuff. Lets you be able to dump the bees in there. We don't set the package in there or anything like that. We dump the bees in, and then let them get sorted out, and then they'll release the queen hopefully in about 2 or 3 days, and you know, we'll go from there. We'll come in and check it. So right now he's watering them down, squirting them down, and then you know, making sure that everything is that they're good and soaked, and then we'll knock them down again like that. And then you take a hide tool. Up here is the lid. You just come in here, pop that off. Underneath there is that food can. So you want to take that food can out. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Sometimes these things can be a little tricky, but you get them in there. And there we go. Put the food can over there. Attached to this black string is the queen, and she's in a queen, and that's where you guys seen us doing it. So again, I'll show you. All right, start dumping them in. He's going to dump those in again. But here's the queen in her cage, and then there's the candy part. That's the candy part, and then the direct release. Don't take that cork out, take the one of the candy thing. As you can see, he's just dumping them and stuff. You want to get them out, get them in there. And make sure that candy plug is out. Just, yeah, there we go. Just like that. And then we'll come in here and put these frames back in, and we'll sandwich her between one. So usually I kind of like to go in the middle as much as we can. We won't put that green one in back in here. And these all have drawn comb, so we are using all drawn comb. We have it available. Most of them. That's what a package is supposed to be like when they're dead outs and stuff. We try to discourage new beekeepers from using a package, but I mean, some people can make them work. Sometimes they're a little bit more difficult. You know, I've never really had many problems with them, but you know, we have a lot of comb drawn, so we will use that. And you know, I could even go into another hive and grab a frame of brood, and that just really helps seal them in and stuff. It's just, that's what we like to do. But that's how we install packages. That's what we'll what we think is best, and then after we get it done, we just kind of put these little things right here. So all these bees that are in here are going to come out. You can go ahead and put that lid on. And we'll get that lid put back on, and then we will get their feeders in here for sure and feed them, and because they don't have any food or anything like that. Now we are coming into a pretty heavy nectar flow, so they will get a lot of food, but we always want to be feeding them to get them going, and you know, they'll get orientated. Now these two hives will be leaving. They won't be here with us for the AZ hives, but we just have them up here while we you know, did a quick video on how we install packages. But if you still are getting bees in, or if you're going to maybe next year, you know, what you're looking at is you know, getting them started. This is one way you can get them started. Again, I don't recommend them a lot for new beekeepers with non-drawn comb and all that stuff, but you can work. They just have a little bit higher chance of swarming or absconding, you know, without in a package versus a nuke. So that's why we always suggest nukes, but always get 2 going at one time, because you know, it's just easier. You can always compare the 2 and you can learn a lot faster. It's better to always have 2 in our opinion. So all right, well, I hope y'all are doing good out there, learning lots of stuff. Your bees are doing good for those that have them, and thanks for watching. I'll be keeping it real out there. See ya.
Make sure you subscribe. Bye.